You a cold fucking nut. Who you calling that? Don't say my name.
These straws.
Are you trying to tell me my stomach?
Yeah, this bitch pregnant.
Stop! I don't suck my stomach. I'm not afraid of my stomach.
Yeah, I know that's right. Show that jelly. Do it again. Look. What?
Yeah, well, God, you just didn't want me to touch you, so why did you touch me?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, exactly. I'm sorry too.
Alright, you can touch
If I go boop boop.
Alright, go ahead and do sticky leg.
No, we don't want to see you drop your stomach.
Oh, shit. Get him, BK. Fuck you in.
What is it doing?
What he say?
Say what he
No,
said.
go ahead. Tell me what he said, because watch this.
It wasn't about you.
It was about me.
What he say?
You fucking two-toned ass. That's why everything you got on is fading the fuck away. You little ass kid. That's what she was telling Kristen on the side. Cause you trying to be smart. You told me not to say nothing to you, so why did you still start with me?
Still say nothing to me.
Alright, well don't start with me.
I ain't say nothing.
Yes you did. You whispered. You whispered.
I told it to her.
It was about me, right?
No, it wasn't about me.
He rubbing his nose. He rubbing his nose. She didn't hear her mouth. That's dirty. You a dirty ass. Why would you do this?
So